We are right now $552 on our balance. Yeah, we got a trade close, 982. Great. Wonderful. Pretty good. Right now we have 1800 on our balance and we have $3,400 on our account right now, guys. Hello there, my dear friends. I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. My name is Vladimir and I want to tell you that today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits, guys. So fasten your seatbelts and make sure you leave a thumbs up because this one's gonna be really hot. Let's go straight to trading right now.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Okay, let's set up our workspace first. This is highly important, guys. Highly important, okay? So here, what do we see? Well, I'm opening a buy trade over here right now, this one pair, and let me quickly explain you why, my dear friends. Well, here, if you take a look at zigzag, moving average, I mean both of them, okay? So pretty obvious situation over here that all these indicators are telling us about the upgoing trend. You see, all of them are going up, and this slow change in the moving averages is another one support about a pretty organic division of the market up. Okay, so here three indicators. I'm always telling you guys, you should work with several indicators once at a time, because you can never know about what's gonna happen next knowing information from only one or two indicators. Okay, at least three. Of course, no need to make more, 3, 4, 5 maximum, right? So here is enough. Here we see the pretty organic division of the market upgoing trend, and we got the trade close, $289. Well, pretty good beginning of the traders day, guys. What do you think? Give me some fire. I'm called in Russia, guys. Give me some fire in the comments, please. And we are moving on to the next one, trade. Alright, let's see what do we have over here right now. Wow, interesting. Well, relax, guys, no worries. This is high volatility markets, okay? Let's set the amount to 189 right now. I'm opening another one buy trade at the moment, because what? Because over here we had a clear picture that organically trend is going up for the last, I don't know, 1 hour it was or something. And here it was a small fluctuation on in the last 10 minutes, right? Small fluctuation down. It's pretty normal situation, because the market can never go only in one direction, only up or down. Pretty obvious. And here right now we are again on our upgoing trend right now. So the trend is pretty strong. Okay, the trend is pretty strong, and the moving averages is also telling us that the trend is going up right now, because we see how they are formed right now at the moment, and telling us about the division, what's gonna happen next right now over here. And guys, if you still if you watch my videos for the first time, or if you watch it for the second, third, no matter what time, and still don't understand much, that's the problem. You lack of theory. And if you lack of theory, guys, I want to help you. I have a Telegram channel absolutely free for everyone, where I collect the base of knowledge, theoretical. So guys, let's take a look what's happening over here right now. I'm opening a buy trade. Let's set the amount, 552, okay. Let's see what's actually happening over here. If you take a look at the last half an hour, here we had pretty clear and obvious downgoing trend right now. But here at the 2344, 2345 to be more exact, we had the point of the reverse of the division of the trend right now, okay? And these moving averages are a pretty good support to these reasons, okay? They're telling us that right now we'll have the change of a trend over here, and that's basically what's happening. We have these green candles forming right now, right in front of our eyes, guys. And right now all we need to do is to wait a bit, okay? This one is pretty obvious story, I mean pattern of the reverse of the division of the trend, okay? And if you guys feel like you need a bit more theory, okay, if you lack knowledge, you know what to do. The link is down below to my Telegram channel. You'll find all the information there absolutely free, guys, okay? Yeah, we got a trade close, 982. Great, wonderful, beautiful. Okay, let's move on to the next one pair, and let's see what else can we make over here. Okay guys, I'm setting up the amount and opening a buy trade at the moment over here. Okay, Okay. What can I say about this one trading pair and about the situation right now? We have pretty high volatility over here on this one trade, okay? Pretty high volatility, and nevertheless the moving averages are telling us not that clear picture, all right, not that clear picture over here because of high fluctuations over here. But what about the zigzag? It is telling us about that right now we may consider the change of the trend of the price, okay, right now. Well, here this one situation is not that obvious, and for the beginners it may be absolutely not obvious, but here when you face such kind of situations, especially on short time periods in high volatility markets, most probably you will face another one reverse of the change of price on here on a down bottom or on top bottom, okay. While I was talking, you saw it, right? We had the trade closed pretty good. Right now we have 1800 on our balance. I think we can take a look at one more trade. Let's see what will happen. Let's look for another one possibility. Alright guys, right now we're opening a sell trade, and here in contradiction to the previous one, this one is pretty obvious here because moving averages are telling us about the change of a trend. It's pretty obvious over here, you see it by yourself. The zigzag is also telling us that we reached another one maximum, and right now we'll go down to face another one minimum, okay, to another one low. And in combination, all these indicators are giving us pretty obvious and clear picture. Of course, in combination with the graph. You can never read just indicators, you should also read the graph as well, guys. And here we have pretty obvious picture of the downgoing trend at the moment. And while we're waiting, guys, let me remind you that as far as indicators are concerned, as far as the work with the graph, anything, all theory connected to the trading, if you need it, make sure you take a look at my Telegram channel, the link is down below, okay? When I was starting, no one was helping me out, I had to find information by myself. Here I'm giving you all this information for free. We got the trade closed and we have $3,400 on our account right now, guys. Well, not bad, really not bad. If you have any comments, if you have any questions about here the trades that we faced today, or anything else, make sure you leave them down below this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like what's happening over here, and of course make sure you are subscribed not to miss my future videos, guys. This was Vladimir, Russian Traders channel. See you in the next one video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.